Namaste dosto, welcome you all on SV tutorials. So again today's topic is very interesting. Today we are going to look about some commonly used idioms for our daily conversation. Okay, so first of all have a look at what are idioms. So these are basically short sentences which have meaning of their own. Unless you know the meaning of these idioms, you can't use these idioms in sentences. Learning to use common idioms and expressions will make your English sound more native. So in this video, we will be talking about 10 commonly used idioms for our daily conversation. Okay, so let's get started. So first idiom is turning a deaf ear. That is not paying attention. To ignore someone. मतलब किसी की बात पे ध्यान मत देना. इग्नोर कर देना उसकी बात को. ओके, सो इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास. He turned a deaf ear to his parents' advice. मतलब उसने अपने पेरेंट्स की एडवाइस पे कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया. He turned a deaf ear to his parents' advice. Okay, so it is one of the most commonly used idioms in our daily conversation. So first is turning a deaf ear. So the next idiom is lion's share. Okay, so what do you mean by the lion's share? Any guesses? No. Lion share का मतलब बिल्कुल भी lion से related है ही नहीं. So lion share means largest part. Okay, so let's have a look at one of the example of this idiom. They are wasting the lion's share of their income by paying rent of that unnecessarily big house. It means that they are wasting the largest part of their income by paying the rent of that unnecessarily big house. So next idiom is make up one's mind. It means to make a decision, to decide something. Okay, so let's have a look at the example of this idiom. I can't make up my mind where to go for vacation. It means that I can't decide. I can't make a decision. I'm not able to make a decision that where to go for my vacation. Okay. Now next idiom is set one's heart on. It means that you have a strong ambition to obtain something. You have a strong desire to do something. Okay, मतलब कि तुम्हारी बहुत इच्छा है कोई काम करने की. Look at the example. When I was a little boy, I set my heart on becoming a fighter pilot. Okay, so when I was young, I just had a strong desire of becoming a fighter pilot. Okay. Now the next idiom is add fuel to the fire. And this is one of the most favorite idiom of mine. Okay, इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है आग में घी डालना. That is to make a matter worse. Okay, and let's have a look at the example of this idiom. Mom is already very angry. Don't add fuel to the fire by doing what she does not like. Okay, so you can use this idiom add fuel to the fire where you think that someone is making the matter more worse. Now next idiom is apple of discord. It means that matter of dispute. मतलब कोई झगड़े का कारण क्या है, झगड़े की वजह क्या है, उसको मतलब होता है apple of discord. Okay, so let's have a look at the example. The ancestral property became an apple of discord among the three brothers. I think you got it. That the ancestral property become a matter of dispute. मतलब झगड़े का कारण बन गई तीन भाइयों के बीच में. So this is the very good idiom, apple of discord. So the next idiom is at daggers drawn. Again, it is very good idiom to be used for our daily conversation. इसका मतलब होता है किसी से कट्टर दुश्मनी होना. वो बुरी वाली दुश्मनी होती है ना किसी से, तो उसे बोलते हैं daggers drawn. So let's have a look at one of the example of this idiom. She is at daggers drawn with her colleagues. मतलब उसकी colleague से बनती नहीं है, उसकी colleague से बहुत ज़्यादा कट्टर वाली दुश्मनी है. So again, this is very good idiom to be used for our daily conversation, at daggers drawn. So the next idiom is be in the driving seat. Yes, you got it very much correct. It means that bearing all the responsibilities, be in charge of something, be in charge of some situation, have a control over some situation. Okay, so let's have a look at the example. In this company, women are in the driving seat. That is, women are bearing the major responsibilities. Women have the control over the situation. So in this company. So this is it. So the next idiom is cock and bull story. इसका मतलब होता है a framed story, a concocted story. मतलब ये कोई मनगढ़ंत कहानी बनाना. Let's have a look at one of the example. She started to tell some cock and bull story to the police officers about the incident. मतलब वो इंसिडेंट के बारे में पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को कुछ मनगढ़ंत कहानियां सुनाने लगी. Okay, So again, this is very good idiom to be used in our daily conversation, that is cock and bull story. Now next idiom is to bank upon something. What does it mean? It means to depend upon something, to count on something. Count, we also use the word count on. It also means to depend on something, किसी पर निर्भर होना. For example, you can bank upon us at the time of need. That is, you can depend on us at the time of need. So this was it. Bank upon, that is count on, that is you can depend on us. Okay. So this is all about the 10 commonly used idioms in our daily conversation. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos.